Sound is everywhere. But what is a sound? Sound is vibration in the air that create energy in form of a sound waves. Sound can be classified as analog or digital. Analog sounds are the sound waves that are around us in the physical world, such as sound of human voice. To be processed by a computer, an analog sound needs to be converted into a digital format, a sequence of ones and zeros. The most common technique used to represent a sound is to sampling the sound. This involves measure the frequency of an analog sound wave at a point in time. It happens many times per second and is known as a sample rate. But what would happen if I increase or decrease the sample rate? Would you notice the difference between MP3 and a WAV file? Read on to find out how.